I'm Anthony Weaver, a lead risk assessor with the Lead Paint Detectives based in Toledo, Ohio. I'm going to show you a real world example of how to clean a sliding window lead safe. Although lead paint is still manufactured and utilized in commercial and industrial usage, lead paint was banned for residential use in schools and daycares in 1978. Properties built before 1978 have a high likelihood that lead paint was used. The older the home is, the more likely lead paint is present. A change from just cleaning to lead safe cleaning can make a huge difference as to whether a child gets lead poisoning or not. Invisible lead dust is created from lead painted friction surfaces rubbing together. It's difficult to deal with lead dust because it's invisible, like little microscopic, spiky balls that stick to everything. Knowing this, updating cleaning methods to lead safe cleaning techniques, you can protect your children, your family, and anyone you invite into your home. It's very important to know, yes, you can live lead safe in a home built before 1978. Don't use, I repeat, don't ever use a microfiber cloth to pick up and clean up lead dust. In lab tests, dust wipe samples taken when the home was cleaned using microfiber cloths have shown that lead dust has been pushed around and they simply don't pick it up. Don't use microfiber cloths to pick up invisible lead dust. This is a big no-no. Again, this could spread lead dust all around and contaminate each and every window. Let's gather our cleaning supplies. You'll need a plastic garbage bag, plenty of disposable gloves, paper towels, a mild cleaner. Dawn and water in a spray bottle works best. Do not use bleach or disinfectants. Lab tests have shown they don't pick up lead dust. Disposable wet mop heads if necessary. Disposable toothbrushes if necessary. High efficiency particulate air, HEPA, a HEPA-filtered vacuum. Next, you want paper towels and a mild cleaner, and there's plenty to choose from. But after many inspections, I have found what works the best is a good couple squirts of Dawn dishwashing liquid in water. I already have 30 ounces of water in this sprayer. Add a couple squirts of Dawn, shake it, and if you see bubbles, you're ready to go. Dawn dishwashing liquid in water seems to pick up lead dust in the bubbles the best. Cleaners that are ineffective at cleaning lead dust are bleach, disinfectants, some degreasers. I haven't tested them all, but I have not found them to consistently clean up lead dust. Also, it's important to remember you clean one window at a time. Throw away your paper towels and change gloves every window you clean. Do not reuse cleaning towels or gloves from one window to another. If the window you just cleaned contains lead dust and you reuse the same paper towels and gloves to clean the next window, you will spread lead dust from window to window. Folding paper towels for this job will help you use less and grab more lead dust. Number 1, fold the paper towel multiple times. Number 2, once one side is dirty, flip it to a clean side. Continue turning the paper towel inside out until each side of the folded paper towel becomes dirty. Number 3, clean the bottom of the window frame, side frame, window trough, and window sill with different paper towels so you don't spread any lead dust you've just picked up. Now let's get started by putting on a pair of latex-free, powder-free, disposable gloves. Be aware sliding windows have 2 troughs that must be cleaned lead safe. Start at the top of the window and work your way down to the trough using a HEPA-filtered vacuum to suck out any large debris and dust. Don't forget to finish HEPA vacuuming the windowsill once the window frame and trough have been completed. The next step is spraying the window frame, trough, and sill with Dawn mixed with water in a spray bottle. Again, start at the top, spraying the frame, the sides of the window, and the weather stripping, the channels, the trough, and the window sill. Wait 5 minutes for the Dawn and water spray to soak in. I started with wet mop heads to clean, but this window is very dirty and I'm going to go through a lot of disposable mop heads. Wet mop heads might not be cost effective. They are great because they are thick and do pick up lead dust very well. But so do Dawn and water and paper towels. If your window is really dirty, Dawn and water in a spray bottle might be your best option. You want to use a motion that picks up debris and lead dust. Wipe in one direction, and I know sometimes this is impossible, but what you want to do is avoid scrubbing hard back and forth because this could grind lead dust into the window trough or window sill. Lastly, clean the window sill by spraying with Dawn and water again and wiping clean. After you're done with one window, take off your gloves properly by using your thumb and pulling the gloves off inside out, keeping any lead dust inside the gloves. Throw away all used paper towels or wet mop pads and put on a new pair of gloves and start the next window. If a windowsill shows signs of wear and is deteriorated with bite marks, worn out stain, deep fissures in the wood grain that have opened up on the surface of the windowsill, which you can't clean out invisible lead dust from these small cracks and will fail a dust wipe sampling. These must be addressed by painting or applying at least 2 heavy coats of polyurethane. This could be a big job if you have a lot of windows. I like to break down the cleaning into smaller bits. Instead of thinking, wow, I have a lot of windows to do in one day, I will do a couple windows one week, then a couple more the next. Eventually, you'll have all your windows done. Lead-safe cleaning the window channels and troughs should be a normal part of your cleaning schedule. Once you have all the windows done, start from the beginning and clean a couple more at a time. This takes a big job and breaks it down into much smaller bits. The goal of the job is to get the window trough and window sill lead-safe clean. This way, if young children put their fingers in the window trough, then their mouth, they won't be ingesting lead dust. It's very important to remember, yes, you can live lead safe in a home built before 1978.